Hey there, and welcome back to Nail Chronicle. I'm back this week after last week's disaster where I deleted all my footage, so sorry about that, but at least I'm back now. And I'm here with a really cool swatch of a beautiful Sally Hansen Mentos Colab. And I never thought I'd actually get to try this polish, mostly because we never get this kind of, promotional kind of style polishes in Australia, and so to see it on the shelf and to see it in clearance as well was even better. So on this particular day I picked up 4 polishes for like 20 bucks or something, which is a bargain. Anyway, onto the actual polish. So this is quite a sheer polish. It's got some really cool like blue flakies, and I guess they're kind of emulating like those little specks that you get in the Mentos polish. Oh, sorry, Mentos mints, not that you'd eat the polish. And so yeah, it was really cool. On the first one, I was a bit worried that this is going to be a 4-coater, and given my past experience with the Sally Hansen polishes, it would take forever to apply. In the end, 3 coats ended up doing it. If you have short nails, 2 coats definitely would be plenty. It definitely needs the 2 coats though, just to really bring out all the colors, and 3 coats adds some nice depth, so like the little spots that you put on your first coat start becoming a little bit faded, and so it creates some depth with the different little dots and things. So overall, it's a really cool polish. I really loved it. I did 3 coats in the end, and there's not much else to say. It just looks really cool. So there we have it, a really quick swatch of the Sally Hansen Mentos Collab. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you've used this polish before. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. Bye!